Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method and the best way to monetize any website without Google AdSense. And I will show you the exact method and the legit method to earn money with any kind of website by simply having a good amount of traffic. So now let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm going to show you an awesome platform in affiliate marketing and running ads, and it's adsterra.com. And adsterra.com is a great website. Here Adsterra has over 33,000 ads provider or partners, and this is an old platform, and over 4 million visits monthly. People are visiting, over 4 million people are visiting monthly, and we also can join adsterra for free. And how to join, and all the links and stuffs are in the description box below, and I have left a link where you can join adsterra. So now simply I'm gonna log into my account of adsterra.com, and how to sign up. Simply when you refer my link, it will show you that you can this form, and you can simply enter the email, full name, login and password, and you can set up the payment method, whether it is PayPal, WebMoney, or PayXM, or Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or Tron, or bank transfer. And in that way you can sign up, and as per your ease, I have given you a link in the description, so please click it and you can simply register. So now I'm going to sign in to my account, so I'm going to close this. And here I am. This is my dashboard of adsterra.com, and here I can simply go to the website section, and I can add my website. And now I will show you two of my website, which is this website is made out of Blogger. As you guys can see, this is made out of Blogger, and it has a blogspot domain, and this is a WordPress website of mine. And so now I'm going to monetize both of these websites with this adsterra.com. Simply I'm going to run ads in these both platform without Google AdSense. So as you guys can see, I have added the blogspot website, and I have added this website. As you guys can see, I have added the both website here. And how to add your website? Simply by clicking add website and entering the domain name of your website, and selecting the category, and selecting the ad type, and remove the ad campaigns such as erotic and alert ads, gambling ads, and these two are okay. These two ads can be placed, and here you can select the ad units, and you can simply click on add in order to get the approval for your website. And the approval is a 1 minute or 2 minute approval, so they will, after you refresh, they will give the approval for your new domain. So now I'm going to place an ad in this platform and in this platform. So with the live proof, I will show you my earning with this website. And as you guys can see, I have earned $0.63 from adsterra.com. As I am new, I have earned a little amount using adsterra. So now as I have added all the type of, the most of the type in my this website. Here it shows me that you have added all the codes. So now I'm going to click on the active and I'm going to copy. So what is this native banner? Native banner is a great ad type, and here you can add 1 to 4 ads in a row, and this is a great ad type, and you guys can add lots of ads in a row. And now I'm gonna I have got the code and I have added the ad unit. So now I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to my backend of my Blogger website, and I'm gonna go to the layout section, and simply I can create a sidebar or sidebar gadget using blogger.com, and now I'm gonna edit this type of layout, and I'm gonna turn on this widget, and I'm gonna paste this link, this code simply here. So now I'm gonna click on save, and I'm gonna go to the view blocks, and I'm gonna again refresh my page, and as you guys can see now my native banner ads are appearing, and these are the native banner, and you guys can see this redirect me to various type of website, and through this ads I can earn per 1,000 impression and per 1,000 clicks, and I can earn money from this. And now I'm gonna track only these websites total number of impressions and clicks simply by proceeding to statistics of adsterra.com. So now I'm going to select the domain, and I'm going to select the date to today's date. So now I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on apply, and as you guys can see it has reached 4 impressions and 2 clicks, and the CPM or cost per monetization rate is $0.03, and so now as you guys can see I will earn per 1,000 impression, and or per 1,000 click rate I'll earn lots of revenue. And now I will show you the exact steps to earn money from a WordPress website using adsterra, and it's super simple, and you can again add ads in this in WordPress website, but now I'll show you how you can add affiliate banners in WordPress website and earn lots of revenue. So now I'm going to go to the adsterra dashboard, and this is the dashboard of adsterra, and it's loading, and now I'm going to go to the referral section, and now I can simply scroll down and I can simply choose a banner type. So now I'm going to choose a banner for my header. So now I'm going to choose a 728 into 90, and so now I'm going to copy this code completely, and now I'm going to go to my appearance section, and I'm going to click on customize, and I can wait here, and I'm going to again open my website in a new tab, and I'm going to click on the dashboard section, and I'm going to go to the widget section or in the appearance widgets, and this is also similar to the layout section in Blogger. So now I'm going to create a bottom section in order to display my adsterra banner or the affiliate banner. So I'll create a menu I can simply create a widget in the sidebar too. So now I'll try to create a widget in the sidebar, and that would be more perfect than a header. So now now I'm going to turn on my sidebar as it is turned off. So now I'm going to turn on it, and I'm going to go to the widget section, and I'm going to click on this ad block section, and I'm going to search for HTML, and I'm going to click on custom HTML, and I'm going to paste this over here, and I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to go to my website wanalyzer.com. So as you guys can see, this is appearing, and as I have added a long or a unsuitable banner type, it shows me as like that. So now I'm going to increase the size or the type of my banner. As you guys can see, this preview looks really great. So now I'm going to remove this code, and I'm going to paste this one. I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to refresh this. So now as you guys can see, here I have successfully placed my banner using AdSterra, and this is an affiliate banner. So when people earn from this banners, or when people register and earn, I'll receive 5% of commission from their earning, but they will receive the full amount, and I will receive 5% from their earning amount. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.